Kevner! This is Patil Tutunjian coming to you from Seoul, South Korea, and I've done it again. I went to another pub crawl, as you guys have seen. If you haven't seen, go check it out. And I need a day of meditation and relaxation, and what better way to do that than to do yoga. So I actually partner up with Good Mate Travel. They have so many very cool activities and experiences. I will link all their information in the description for you to check it out. And the one I picked today was yoga. So I'm here, let me show you at Common Area is what the studio is called. And not only will I get to do yoga with some amazing people from around the world and I'll get to meet new friends, but also then we're gonna have brunch together. So let's do it. Let's go up and experience some yoga and zen. We're about to start.
To sporty, we'll be going just together. So thank you so much for coming in this early morning. I know sometimes it's hard to start your day really early, especially if you're traveling or if you're doing on your own. It's hard to start your morning early. So thank you so much. Today we'll be focusing on rejuvenating our body, reconnect to ourselves. So let's bring our mind, our thoughts, ourselves back to the center where we all began. Yes. I think the hardest part is not the showing up part. Showing up for yourself is always the hardest. So let's be proud of ourselves for showing up in this mat. Just like pillow, but right below your neck.
I thought it's soft.
Yes, head gently left to right to give a little bit of same thing.
Oh no.
Yeah. And then twist on your head. Yeah. Yeah. It's a good feeling. Good feeling, yeah. It's intense. Intense, but it's good to like I need this kind of exactly, yeah. I love it. Yeah. All the way up to the side. And as you exhale, we're gonna twist to one side, left or right. Inhale, get taller. Inhale, get taller. Exhale, twist. And keep your knees off the mat so you can lower down. Inhale, baby cobra. Exhale, downward facing.
That was so nice, and now we're gonna have breakfast. I'm actually hungry, so and also coffee. I'm so excited about coffee.
just to do all the things you find in Europe, like Italy and Spain, because it was easy.
Yeah.
And after that, we decided, okay, let's do some other places who are more far away than Italy or Spain.
That's so
The yoga and breakfast.
I used to be in a corporate
Okay.
job
Okay.
2 years ago, and I quit. It's because I was like, I'm done with this. I can't do this anymore. And I always liked yoga, so I just quit and I just went to Bali doing the yoga teacher training.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, it was 4 months. 4 months. Yeah, 4 months.
Yoga?
1 month. Yeah, 1 month. Every day. Yeah, and I came back and I always like wanted to do something with like cooking. So I'm not professional. I just like my family. They're always like in the restaurant field, and I was always like interested. So yeah, I just like started doing this. So yes, I want to be full time with doing this, and also we do a tasting experience in the evening, the Korean food from different regions.
So you do it also here?
Yeah, also here.
Oh.
So normally the table is here. There's no yoga mat.
So the people book like a session with you, and they try and cook with you different types of Korean food.
Yeah, so more like tasting. So I only cook, or my mom cooks and I bring her food, and I just like warm it up. But yeah.
I think it's a great
So-
idea.
Yeah.
It's a really good business idea.
Yeah.
I thought they were working in commercial life.
I used to, well, for 3 months, I was in when we had a Pyeongchang Olympics, Winter Olympics, I worked for a German company. And I found that like the work culture is very similar, Korean and German.
Is it? Okay.
I think, yeah. Very hard worker.
Yeah.
Very
yeah.
precise and
But I mean, the Korean people, it looks like they go out and have fun. It doesn't matter if
Yeah.
it's Tuesday or
so
Saturday.
same as Germany. Like,
Oh,
okay.
Und wie viele Stunden arbeiten die?
How much hours per work do the...
Well, supposedly 40.
Sorry. Okay. But it's
And what is it like in Germany?
The 38.5.
no 40. 40. Yes.
I work for 38.5.
So that was amazing. I've learned a lot of things about myself. One of them is I think I need to go get a massage. If you guys have any recommendations of a place or a type of massage, it's not something I usually do, but I'm realizing I think I need to do that. So let me know in the comments if that's something you know more about than me. And also apparently I'm not that flexible, so we're gonna work on that. But regardless, I had so much fun. I think the level was perfect for beginners, or if you're more experienced as well. It was still fun and challenging enough, and the food was delicious. Obviously I didn't do a lot of talking in this video, like during the video, because I was trying to focus and do the yoga and also not annoy everyone else who was trying to do yoga. But I had so much fun. I made great people, made new friends from Germany, and you might actually see some of their faces in my other videos. So stay tuned, make sure you're subscribed. And I don't know what I'm doing with my hand. Thank you so much. Good mate travel. Love you guys so much. Bye.